everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel, Curlyzhed vlog, and for today's video, I'm going to show you how to do this sunflower placemat. If you like this tutorial, please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you! First step is to make a magic ring. Hold the yarn and wrap it around your finger to form an X. Insert the hook on the yarn underneath and grab the top yarn and twist. Next, chain 2. Do not count this chain as double crochet. On round 1, make 10 double crochet inside the magic ring. Next, pull the yarn end to make the magic ring smaller. The total for double crochet on round 1 is 10. Next, make a slip stitch on top of chain 2. For round 2, begin with making chain 2. Again, do not count chain 2 as double crochet. On the first stitch, make 2 double crochet. Next, make 2 double crochet on each stitches. Slip stitch on top of chain 2. The total of double crochet on round 2 is 20. To close this, slip stitch on top of chain 2. And now, to begin with your round 3, we're going to repeat again by doing a chain 2, and then on the first stitch, make 1 double crochet, and on the second stitch, make 2 double crochet on same stitch. Again, let's repeat the pattern. On the next stitch, make 1 double crochet. Here's 1. And on the next stitch is an increase, which means 2 double crochet in 1 stitch. Do this alternate until you finish the ends of the round. Now, to end round 3, you slip stitch on top of chain 2. The total of double crochet on round 3 is 30. Basically, we're just adding 10 double crochets every round. And now to begin with round 4, chain 2. The pattern for round 4 is 1 double crochet on the next 2 stitch. Here's 1 and another 1 double crochet. And on the 3rd stitch, we're going to make an increase, which means 2 double crochet in 1 stitch. Again, let's repeat the pattern. On the next stitch, make 1 double crochet, another 1 double crochet on the next stitch, and on the next one is 2 double crochet, which means an increase. Here's 1 and 2. Repeat this alternate until you finish the round. To close round 4, we're going to slip stitch. And the total of double crochet on round 4 is 40. Now, we're going to do round 5. Always remember, when moving to the next round, always begin with chain 2. The pattern for row 5 is 1 double crochet on the next 3 stitch and then 1 increase on the 4th stitch. Here's 1, 2, 3, and on the 4th stitch is increase, which means 2 double crochet on 1 stitch. The total of double crochet on row 5 is 50. So always remember that you have to repeat the pattern until you finish the round. Again, let's do the pattern. 1 double crochet, next another 1 double crochet, next another 1 double crochet, and next 1 increase, which means 2 double crochet on same stitch. So do this alternate until you finish the round. To close round 5, make a slip stitch on top of chain 2. For round 6, chain 2 and then make 1 double crochet on the next 4 stitch. So here's 1, 2, 3, and 4. On the 5th stitch, make an increase, which means 2 double crochet on the same stitch. Here's 1 and 2. The total number of double crochet on round 6 is 60. So follow this pattern until you finish the end of the round. To close round 6, slip stitch on top of chain 2. I'm gonna shorten the video. For round 7, 8, 9, and 10, please follow the pattern on the screen. You can pause this part and I will see you back later. I finally finished round 10 and now I'm going to fasten the excess yarn. Now switch with yellow yarn for the petals of sunflower. Insert the hook to any of the stitch and grab the yarn and chain 2. Yarn over and make 1 double crochet on the same stitch. Next, chain 4. Here's 1, 2, 3, and 4. And on the next stitch, make 2 double crochet. Here's 1, and 2, both 2 double crochet are placed in 1 stitch. Skip 2 stitch and on the next stitch make 2 double crochet. Here's 1, and 2. Both double crochet are placed in 1 stitch. Next, chain 4. On the next stitch, make 2 double crochet. Again, we're going to repeat the pattern. Skip 2 and then on the next stitch make 2 double crochet. Next, chain 4. And and then on the next stitch make 2 double crochet. Repeat this alternate until you finish the end of the round. You can pause here and then I will see you back later. Next, slip stitch on top of chain 2. Next step, make 5 double crochet on the first space. Next, chain 2 and slip stitch on the first chain. To complete our first petal, make 5 double crochet on the same space. Next, slip stitch on the next space. Follow the pattern and do it alternate until you finish the round, and then when you reach your last petal, you have to insert your hook on the last space and make a slip stitch. Then fasten all the excess yarn. This is it, guys. If you want to know how to do the small sunflower, I have also a tutorial for that. I'm going to put the link on the description box below. Thank you and see you on my next video. Bye!